Hi, this is Ashish Kyal here and I am going to talk about the stock in news which is ITC. आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हैं कि ITC का स्टॉक चार्ट मैंने प्लॉट कर रखा है which is from the lows the stock has formed in the month of November. वहां से ये स्टॉक पूरा अगर आप देखेंगे ITC went from somewhere around the lows of 160 levels and right now it is quoting at around 230 on the upside. This movement that you can see in the last candle, this is the last candle of ITC which happened today. ITC, the stock was up by nearly 7% in single day. When was the last time you saw the stock rallying by 7% in one single day? And I'm going to give you some technical reasons कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. If you look at these blue lines, this is the Bollinger Bands on the stock, and if you look at these blue lines, you can clearly make out that the stock gave a very strong breakout above this blue line in today's session. And that clearly indicates that the overall trend has now reversed back on the upside. That's the first information. Also, इसके साथ में अगर आप देखेंगे, there are vertical lines being shown here. These vertical lines are nothing but time cycles that I have shown. So every few days, the stock turns back on the upside. So these time cycles are equally placed. And if you look at these cycles, we form the low here, we form the low here, we form the low. We formed a low here again, and exactly at around 205 level this cycle was again due. So time cycle with Bollinger Bands gave a very strong breakout on this stock, and we clearly see it now going for a new high that is possible. We are going to look at that. I think the stock is going to cross above that 240 levels on the chart that you can clearly see here. So यहाँ पर क्या information मिली? Using this Bollinger Bands technique and looking at the overall time cycles, you can make out how the stock has strongly outperformed. Stay tuned. I'm going to talk again. I talk at Friday at 4. So on YouTube @KyalAshish. Ensure you are following me on YouTube, and also my Twitter handle is @KyalAshish. More discussion on this ITC stock I'm going to do there. So do follow me and enjoy your ride in this stock. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal signing off.